check this out. This is the new M18 Fuel Hatchet or Pruning Saw from Milwaukee, and it's in stores now. Whether you're an arborist up trees on the daily or you're just out enjoying the off-road with your crew, this compact size saw means it's got high mobility and can squeeze into tight spaces, and you can also very comfortably use it one-handed. Now it's got an 8-inch bar with 203 millimeters of cutting capacity. That's 2 inches or 50 millimeters more than the M12 hatchet, which has been around for a couple of years now, although it's very similar in design. Nice, comfy rubberization everywhere you touch the saw, from that pistol grip with the variable speed trigger for one-handed operation, and then the second hand goes under the guard here. You can push down through your cut as well. It's got a full house chain, which means there's a cutter on every link of the chain for efficiency, and the brushless power state motor is pushing that chain at up to 2,600 revolutions per minute or 5 meters every second. Now the tool for changing or tensioning that chain is stowed securely underneath the saw. You can also see it's got a nice see-through chain bar oil tank as well, so you won't run out of lube. If you are climbing a tree with it, you've got a nice secure lanyard tie-off on the rear that you can also push out of the way. And that guard fully covers the bucking spikes as well, so you're not gonna catch yourself while climbing. It's available now on the M18 platform. It's such a small compact saw, but it certainly doesn't lack any power without bogging down even up into hardwood and larger solid timber as well. Make sure you check it out in the Milwaukee aisle, your local Sydney tool store, and if you've got any questions about this saw or any other M18 product, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.